In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research anything with Gemini AI Deep Research. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a focused query, launch the deep research process, and let Gemini do the heavy lifting to surface organized, trustworthy insights. First, open Gemini. Make sure you're signed in and have a stable internet connection so your session doesn't time out mid-search. Once you're in, look for the navigation that gives you access to different features and utilities. Next, click Tools. This is where Gemini groups its more advanced capabilities. Inside Tools, select Deep Research. Think of deep research as a mode built for complex questions that need multiple sources, synthesis, and structure, rather than a quick one-off answer. It's designed to explore, compare, and summarize, so you get more than just links, you get context. Now, enter your prompts. The clearer your prompt, the better the results. For example, you can type, "Research the future of artificial intelligence in education and summarize the most important trends." If you already know your focus, add helpful boundaries, like a time frame, the audience you care about, or the regions you want covered. You can also mention the type of output you want, such as a concise summary with key trends, short explanations, and a brief note on implications. Clarity up front saves time later. Then wait patiently and click. Start research. Depending on load, you might see a brief status indicator while Gemini lines up sources and prepares its plan. This is normal. Avoid changing your prompt during this stage so the system can complete a coherent pass through the material. Once it's underway, Gemini will generate your prompts, essentially a structured plan and findings based on what you asked. Expect a clear summary of the main trends, short explanations for why each trend matters, and supporting references when available. You'll often see the information grouped logically, which makes it easier to scan and decide what to dive into next. As you review the output, pay attention to how the trends are defined, what signals are cited, and whether the time horizon matches your needs. If you want a deeper angle, say classroom adoption challenges, policy impacts, or tools for educators, adjust the wording in the same prompt box and run it again. Small tweaks like adding with recent examples or include potential risks and mitigations can refine the synthesis without starting over. That's it. Open Gemini, click Tools, choose Deep Research, enter a clear prompt, wait, click. Start research and let Gemini generate a thorough, organized overview tailored to your question.